What's the meaning of building society? Building society. Building society.
Building society. Building society. A building society is a type of financial institution that provides savings accounts and mortgages to its members. Members are also typically owners of the building society, as they hold shares in the organization. Building societies originated in Great Britain but have since expanded to other countries, including Australia and New Zealand. The primary goal of a building society is to promote home ownership through the provision of affordable mortgage loans. As a result, building societies play an important role in the housing market by providing an alternative source of financing for individuals seeking to buy a home.